In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VC runtime 140_1.dll missing error in Windows 10 and 11. So first, you want to go here and type in cmd, and then run as administrator. Now here, you want to type the following command: dism/online cleanup image restore health, and then press enter. Then type sfc/scan now. Once it's done scanning, it will repair any missing DLL folders, and then you can try restarting your computer and see if it fixes it. Now, next thing you can try is go here, and then you want to type Visual C++, then go to the first web page, then download the 64-bit and 32-bit. Run both installers. So once you run both installers and install both of them, try restarting your computer, and this should fix the error.